Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Just a really quick video here. Just wanted to show you guys entry number 2 in my 2021 Get to Know You Challenge. And this entry comes from Miss Gloria Rodriguez. So thank you so much, Miss Gloria, for participating in my challenge. I really appreciate it. Honestly, guys, I wasn't sure if anybody was going to be up to participating. So thank you guys so much. And so I'm just going to open it up. I had already started opening it. I was like, let me go ahead and film it because I know I haven't been on in a few days. I just started back to school, so the homework is crazy ridiculous. It's a lot already, so that's what's been kind of taking up my time, but I am going to find little times to jump on here and update you guys. So this is from Miss Gloria Rodriguez, and I see this really pretty memory dex card because that was the challenge, to create a somewhat dimensional memory dex card and put some information about yourself on the back of the memory dex card and just send it in to me. Your name will be put in to a drawing to possibly win a $25 gift card, whether that be to Hobby Lobby or Michael's, or if you don't have one of those stores in your area, I could just do a $25 Visa gift card. So that is the challenge, and I will actually link that video below in case you guys want to check it out and want more information about that. And feel free, guys, if y'all still want to do it but you're not going to make the deadline, I'm perfectly fine with, I would just love to see you guys' creations, and you know, I would love to receive those. So even if you want to send them in, I'm still accept them, and I will still do a video to share your creation. This is so pretty, and looks like she also sent me some goodies here. I'm going to open up her card here. It has a lot of pretty confetti in it. I think it's so cute. And this is her card. She has a really cute little dangle charm. I really want to get to learn how to make these little dangles. They're so cute. And she has this dimensional rosette. There's like 2 layered paper rosettes. This really pretty unicorn die cut. She has these pretty little star embellishments. Just really pretty, and it is like iridescent. Really pretty. She has the bling going around, and she has all of her information on the back. And I really appreciate it. I really like it. It's so cute, and it's going to go right in my memory dex box. I'm going to set that to the side for now. And she also made these really cute bows, these paper bows, and she put one of those pretty layered rosettes on there, which I can definitely reuse. Really cute. Thank you very much for that. And she also included a card, let's see, that she made for me. She said, "Hi Sonya, I'm a newbie. It's the first memory dex I made. Hope you like it. Looking forward to being crafty friends. With love, Gloria. Craft with me." Thank you, Miss Gloria. I am looking forward to it as well. I'm so happy you did awesome on your first memory dex card. It doesn't look like a first, I can say that. So thank you very much. This is what the front of her card looks like. Oh, sorry. Really cute. Goes along with the theme. And then there's another card here. Let's see. And it's so cute. Look how she wrapped it like a little gift. Let's see. So creative, and it can be reused. You see how she did that? And these are like some journaling cards made out of that pretty paper. Yeah. Oh, I love this. These journaling cards. Thank you so much. And she also put some more little rosettes in here. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I am definitely going to be using these items. I really love it, and this is going right in my memory dex box. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you would like to subscribe, click the link below to subscribe. Feel free to comment. And thanks again, Miss Gloria, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.